know, Mom. Oh my God.
Oh, there it goes. It just went back up.
It's coming towards us. Wait.
No, it's not. Go that way. Fuck.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm shaking. I'm shaking.
Pull that in.
I'm shaking. Oh my God. My car.
That's a tornado. I told you, dude. I knew what was being.
It's coming towards us.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It can turn at any second.
You're fine. Come out. Whoa, watch. No, wait. Go.
It's forming huge, Boo. We need to go. Let's get in the car and go. Towards like.
Well, never put your life in danger. Trust me.
I'm scared. It's coming towards us.
It's going that way.
Oh my God, you guys.
Look at all this shit.